I'll teach you everything you need to know about rotations in 5 minutes. Rotation is pretty similar to position. It's a vector 3. Right here we have part A, and if you want to change part A's rotation, just write part A dot rotation, set it equal to a vector 3, just as you would with size and position. Dot new, and again, this is the value in degrees that you want to tilt it in the x-axis, the y-axis, and the z-axis. If you don't know what I mean, you can rotate it in the x-axis like this, the y-axis, and the z-axis. It is in degrees, so if you change it to 180 degrees in any axis, you won't notice a difference because 180 degrees is half a turn, so it's the equivalent of doing that. And that looks exactly the same as that, so you can't really tell the difference at all. Same if you do any multiple of 180, like 360, 720, it's all gonna look the exact same because that's basically doing nothing. I mean, doing half a spin is something, but like doing this is essentially enough. 10 degrees. So if you want to turn it like quarter of the way, that would be 90 degrees. Oh man, I hit the wrong button. Ta-da! And if you want to do half of that, change it to 45 degrees. See, that's a little more than 45 degrees. Oh, I guess not. I'm gonna randomly rotate this part, and if you want the green part to mimic this rotation exactly, it's exactly as you would do it for the position. So just set part A's rotation to be equal to part B's rotation. And bam, they are identically rotated.